Hello guys, today we are working on 2013 Chevy Malibu. Check engine light is on and the code is P069E, manufacturer control. This code is related to fuel pressure module, control module. Fuel pressure control module. So it's located on the passenger side under behind this panel, trim panel in the trunk. So I have already tried and I replaced this module and it didn't help. It didn't help. Check engine light came back on. So right now I'm digging more and look what I found. So on the other side, there's a connector. It's a blue connector right here. So I have found, surprise, there's a pin. You see the corrosion in the pin. So actually two pins are corroded. This one of them is really bad. You see the corrosion is really bad. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean, I'm gonna test drive and see if it's gonna help. Stay tuned. Okay, after cleaning that terminal in the trunk, nothing changed. Check engine light came back on, and after digging more and more, I have found out I have some problem with my air shutter. It's an electronic air shutter, and I was go ahead and ordered a part which is here. It actually came with the broken tab, as you see. Crazy, brand new part. Okay, now we are removing this bumper and I want to inspect the wires, and I look what I find out. There's some of type of wires, I just pull them out. So I just want to see what we have down here. So the front bumper is removed. Actually, it's not hard to remove. Make sure all of the top screws out, and then bottom, and also in here, this screws right here. And actually it's not that hard to get it out. Okay guys, I have found out this wire that was hanging in here, it's from this shutter, active shutter, radiator shutter. So look what I got. So since I don't have the plug, I just did for myself. I took the connectors from other plug, so they fit good. So look, I found the color, the diagram. So it's actually 4 connector here. It's a 4 connector, but 3 wires coming in. So from right to left, gray and black, that's first, and then black second, and purple with white stripe third, and the one on the very left, it's empty. So this is what I found. I'm going to put everything together, put some electrical tape and install, and I will keep you updated. Thank you. Okay, the shutter installed to the bumper, just like that. I put small clips here. This clips fits really good. This box from Harbor Freight, for those who live in United States. These clips right here, they fit perfectly fine. So this is the clips right here. So it's ready to go. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay guys, this car is fixed. That was the problem. So right now the shutter installed. Check engine light is not on. I reset it. It was running for a while here. It was coming back right away. Right now, as you see, check engine light is off. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel for many more good videos. Comment and like. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.